Namaste, dear brothers and sisters. I'm Vivek. I'm from India. I work as a teacher in a school, and I hardly earn $280 per month. Okay, prior to Corona. Now in the Corona pandemic, as you know, the what we can say, the students and the parents are not able to pay the fees. That's why I'm earning around $80, and still I'm living as a human being, just like you. Okay, still I'm living. I'm managing somehow to live. I'm managing somehow to pay the light bill. We can say electricity bill. I'm able to purchase the LPG gas to keep my stove going, and I can somehow manage to earn my bread and butter. And now I have seen some examples around me. I have seen some people around me. They are talking completely negatively about the situation. They are completely talking. Talking negatively about the future, and they are completely negative. I don't know why. See, I have studied in my SST, or we can say social studies, that human beings have three basic needs. Only three. The first one is a food. Second one is a shelter, and the third one is clothes. Food so that you can survive. Shelter so that you can protect yourself from, we can say, natural calamities and cold and what we can say, the daytime heat and all other insects and all the things. And clothes so that you can cover yourself. Okay. Now day by day the size of clothes are becoming small and small. You know it very well. Okay. No need to tell about it. Okay, so these are the three basic things which a human being needs, okay, to survive. Now if you take example of today's Corona pandemic world, if you really want to survive, what do you really need? Think about it once again. Why are we making our life so complicated? Actually, we just need three things. Okay, we just need three things. Doesn't matter if you don't have enough money in your pocket. Doesn't matter if you're not able to go to your favorite tourist spot. Doesn't matter if you can't go to your friend's home. Doesn't matter all these things. What matters today is your survival. The survival of your loving loved ones. Okay, the survival of your friends. If they are there with you, then you can enjoy all other things. If they are not there, then it's difficult. So I just want to make you aware that if you are watching this video, if you have a roof on your head, don't take it completely literally. I know you are under roof and you are watching this video. Okay, don't worry. But if you have your own home, if you have enough food in your plate, okay, 2 times, 3 times at least, and if you have enough clothes to cover yourself, if you have your loved ones around you to talk you, to speak to you, to ask you about your well-being and about your career and about your girlfriend and all other things, then you are lucky. Then you are the most lucky person on this planet. So just count on those things. Don't worry about the situation. I know some people are talking that this is a man-made situation. Yes, obviously. It is obviously. Now the thing is that how to survive. I know even I am also under stress. A very unknown stress. I can't even figure it out how it came, and how I'm going deeper and deeper in this stress. But that doesn't mean that I should stop living. That doesn't mean that I should stop doing whatever work I'm doing. The only thing is that I have to make sure that whether all the loved ones which are around me, they are safe or not. If they are safe, then I can continue. And if you observe all these things carefully, if you see everything around you, then you will feel that we are lucky. We are really lucky. I know if you talk about my country, people are really struggling. They are struggling. I have seen crowd of people. I have seen hundreds of crowd. They are they are just traveling from one city, say okay, the financial capital of my country, Bombay, Mumbai. They're traveling from Mumbai to their native places, okay, and they traveled hundreds of kilometers just by walking. They covered those distance. And who gave them this energy? Who gave them this energy? Can you imagine traveling, say, 500 kilometers just by walking? Just by walking. No hotel, nothing, nothing, nothing. Wherever you will find a temple, you have to sit there, you can sleep there. Nothing is there. But still people traveled. Still they traveled and they reached to their home. Now this thing is that they are alive. They are still alive. Now what is there in their homes? What is there in their villages? You know why they came to that particular city? Just to earn their bread and butter. But still they went back. Why? Because complete lockdown is there. They couldn't earn the money and that's why they went back. But still there was hope. There was a hope. And just because of that hope, they kept going. And still they are going. And you know, they are going means they are coming back to the same workplace again. Just to earn bread and butter. As you know, in almost all the countries, the lockdown is somewhat, we can say, eased. Okay, now the complete lockdown is not there. With some rules and regulations, you can do your work. But how long it will continue, nobody knows. So I just want to pray to God that this situation should get clear as soon as possible, and we are also the one who can help the situation get it clear as soon as possible. So I just want to make sure that, see guys, not guys, but see my dear brothers and sisters from all around the world, if you are watching this, I just want to tell you that if you see that if your life is not complicated, if you are living okay, if you are having, we can say, all your loved ones around you, if you have a roof on your head, if you get enough food in your plate 2 times 3 times, then what do you need? Don't worry about your goals, don't worry about your foreign tours, don't worry about all other things. One day they will be fulfilled. But now the thing is that you should be alive. You should be alive with utmost safety, and the people around you should be alive. And this is the greatest pleasure. This is the greatest thing which you can have in your life. So just count on some more days, people, and I think soon this situation will get clear and we will have our routine life back. And I pray to my Almighty that, oh God, let this fade away. Let this corona fade away as it came. And you also do the same. Now at least this is the only thing which we can do. But still, I would like to tell you one thing. At least you can be a loving person. At least you can spread the love. At least you can spread the hope. Stop spreading the negativity in the life, because that negativity is making somebody jump from 5th floor, making somebody to hang himself or herself. Stop that negativity. Completely stop. You know why we came to this 21st century? Okay, we would have vanished just like the dinosaurs. But still we came. There was a hope. There was always a search for something new. And maybe this search led to the coronavirus also. Who knows? That is why we are enjoying the fruits of our own deeds. Okay? Maybe. I don't know what exactly it is. Okay? But still, right now, the only thing is that we should survive ourselves. We should survive. We should make sure that all the loved ones which are around us, they are safe and secured. So people, just think about the basic 3 needs which we really need to survive. Okay? Because survival is the important thing now. Nothing else. Okay? I don't know how the video is, but I hope you liked it. Okay, just make sure that everything is good. Thank you.